Hello everyone, my name is Diptendu Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you how to make blackcurrant sling mocktail. This is the a refreshment mocktail you can try. First of all, for the blackcurrant sling, you need blackcurrant crush, monster, lime juice or lime cordial, Sprite and soda. How to make blackcurrant sling mocktail? Take a tall glass and add some ice cream into the tall glass. Then pour 10 ml of lime cordial and pour black currants 30 ml of black currant crush. Then you have to pour monster and simply add some Sprite and add some soda. This is the refreshment blackcurrant refreshment mocktail you can try. Then simply stir it with the help of the mocktail is ready. Blackcurrant sling. Thank you very much for watching my video.